How to fix Safari Clear History grayed out. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. If you're also getting this issue, Clear History and website data is grayed out, what you can do is, you can launch your settings, then navigate to the option of Screen Time. After you land to the Screen Time page, head towards the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, from here, navigate to the option of Content Restrictions. Click on the option of Web Content, open it. Now here you're going to find the section of Web Content. Make sure you have checked in for the option of Unrestricted. After you do this, your problem might be fixed. You can hit back and check. Launch your Safari and you can check. You can see that I'm now able to click on this option of Clear History and Website Data. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is head back, scroll up, navigate to your Apple ID. Now click on the option of iCloud. Now click on the option of Show All. Now here you're going to find different app options. Head over to the App Safari. Enable for this option. If you have already enabled it, disable it. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Heading towards last solution, what you can do is first restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release your finger. And with that, your phone will be forced to restart. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix Safari Clear History grayed out issue. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.